Show you how you can extend the life of the batteries in your mobility scooter. Instead of paying $100 for a new set of batteries, you might be able to get away with just a cup of water. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Most of these, the seat pops straight up, so you just pull the seat out. I usually put grease down here to make sure it comes off a little easy each year. Sometimes this red cover is Velcroed on. Step on it and the Velcro will release. Move this, the batteries will be right there. Straps keep the batteries in. Put this tape on here because there's a plate on top. When you rehydrate the batteries, you've got to tape it back on. First time you hydrate the batteries, you've got to pop this little plastic piece off. 6 caps under here, and inside there's battery acid, so you want to use gloves. I'll pop off the rubber caps. Inside this battery, you're going to see liquid. If you shake everything, you'll see the water in there. You don't see water in there, they definitely need to be hydrated or you'll be buying new batteries for sure. These were really dry yesterday, so I hydrated them, and you can see this one is already down on water. Because it was so dry, I decided to hydrate it and then rehydrate it today. Yesterday, it would not take a charge. It would only go about 10 feet and stop. When I hydrated it, charged it, I was able to take it up a hill just like normal. It's best to use distilled water, but any water is better than no water. I use this applicator to put the water in. Push a little more in there. When I put this in, I don't take it all the way to the top of the battery. You can see water in all of them. At the end of every season, I go ahead and hydrate the batteries, or after about 2 or 3 years, or 2 years, you'll probably need to replace the batteries. I'll put the caps on, and you've got to put the cap back on here and tape it, or all these little rubber caps will just pop off. Everything needs new maintenance, and I'd rather not have to pay for new batteries all the time. Keeping these batteries hydrated extends the life a lot. When I do have to replace these, I'll probably go with lithium ion. Put a lot of miles on this thing every year. I use it kind of like a tractor. The battery looks a little more hydrated. It looks a little dry on this one. Some manufacturers will call these maintenance-free batteries. Well, I can assure you they're not maintenance-free. They just want you to buy more batteries. You got a lead-acid car battery. You can also extend the battery life on your car. Batteries are gel. You can't actually put water in them. If you have a gel battery, you could turn the battery completely upside down and nothing would come out. If I do go with lithium ion, they're going to last longer and have a bit more power, but these are fine. If you do buy a scooter like this, you can buy them used, get them a lot cheaper than new. I paid about $400 for this one. Something like this, electric, is so much better than gas. You jump on it and go. You can throw a couple spackle buckets on this full of dirt or water and zip a mile away. Not a mile, but certainly acres and acres. Top back on this. You want to make sure there's good amount of grease in there because it can be difficult to get this thing off. If you did have a difficult time getting it off, make sure you clean it and grease it because you don't want to have to go through that each time. Little time now will save you a lot of frustration later. This is high temperature grease, but any grease will do. And water on something like this is a lot easier than tearing a carburetor apart on something like this one. Take it for a spin, just turn it on and go.